What's up, SEO legends? I'm Artemis from SirLinksalot, and today we're going to be diving into something that's honestly more addictive than scrolling through TikTok at 2 a.m. Content optimization. Now, if you've ever wondered why some content goes viral while yours isn't getting as much attention as it should, then this video is for you. By the end of this comprehensive guide, you'll understand exactly what content optimization is, why it's absolutely crucial for your online success, and most importantly, how to implement strategies that will make your content so irresistible that even Google's algorithm will want to give it a standing ovation. Now, what is content optimization? So let's just start with the real talk here. Content optimization is fixing or making parts of your website better for search engines and your visitors so that you can improve your organic rankings, clicks, or conversions from Google's search results. Fact 1. According to HubSpot's research, companies that publish 16 or more blog posts per month get 3.5 times more traffic than those publishing 0 to 4 posts monthly. But here's the kicker. It's not about quantity anymore. It's about optimization quality. Think of it like this. You wouldn't show up to a job interview in your pajamas, right? Well, I sure hope not. Publishing unoptimized content is basically the digital equivalent of doing just that. Content optimization is your content's professional makeover. SEO copywriting, which is a huge part of content optimization, is the practice of producing keyword-optimized content that is designed to appeal to both human users and search engine algorithms simultaneously. It's like being bilingual. You need to speak both human and Google fluently. Here's the reality check that you need today. Google processes over 8.5 billion searches a day. That means that there are incredible opportunities for your business to be discovered by people who are actively looking for exactly what you offer. Here's fact number 2 for today. According to Ahrefs analysis, to replicate 5.6 million monthly organic visits with paid ads, that would cost around $4.2 million per month. That's proof that strong SEO creates lasting and compounding value. The benefits of proper content optimization include higher search rankings because Google finally understands what your content is actually about, more organic traffic, better rankings equals more eyeballs on your content, increased trust, both users and Google start seeing you as an authority. You can save time and money as well because updating your existing content instead of constantly creating new stuff does that naturally. And you can future-proof your strategy because well-optimized content keeps performing for years. Now, unlike that gym membership that you never use, content optimization actually delivers long-term value without recurring costs. User intent, also known as search intent, is honestly the secret sauce of SEO content optimization. Now, if you get the intent right, then your SEO is right. It's that simple. Fact number 3. There are 4 main types of search intent, and understanding them is crucial because Google has gotten scary good at matching results to what people actually want. So the 4 main types are, number 1, informational intent, which people want to learn something from, navigational intent, where people want to find a very specific site, there's commercial intent, where people are researching before buying, and there's also transactional intent, where people are actively ready to purchase. To identify search intent, analyze the current top-ranking results for your target keyword. Look at the 3 C's. Content type, so blog post versus product page, content format, such as how-to versus a listicle, and content angle, which is a unique selling point that they do want to emphasize. All right, so now let's talk about keyword research that actually works. First things first, you need to target keywords with actual traffic potential. Optimizing for a keyword that nobody searches for is like preparing for a party that nobody is attending. Today's fact number 4. Approximately 70% of all search traffic comes from long-tail keywords, which tend to have lower competition and higher conversion rates. So here's the game-changing approach. Instead of just looking at search volume, focus on traffic potential as well. So how much traffic is the current number 1 ranking page getting for that keyword? In order to do this, you can use some free tools such as Google Search Console to see what you're already ranking for, Google Autocomplete to see what Google suggests as you type, and Answer the Public, which will help you discover question-based keywords. Oh, and here's an Amazon hack for you. Search for the products related to your niche on Amazon. The autocomplete suggestions will show you exactly how people search for those products, which is pure gold for e-commerce SEO. All right, so let's chat a little bit more about the Udemy structure strategy. This is a brilliant hack from Brian Dean, where you can use Udemy to actually find proven content structures. So first you search your topic on Udemy, find courses with lots of reviews and enrollments, and then adapt their curriculum structure for your own content. Think about it. These are courses that thousands of people have actually paid for. That's market validation at its finest. Another one for you are bucket brigades. Now, these are short phrases that keep people glued to your content like they're watching a Netflix cliffhanger. Some examples are, here's the deal, but here's the kicker. Want to know the best part? Or this is crazy. Here's fact number 5. Content with positive user experience signals, such as low bounce rate or high dwell time, ranks significantly better in search results. Now, this is why the app method works. This keeps users from hitting that back button and staying on the page as long as possible. This acronym stands for agree, so start with something that your audience will kind of nod along with, promise, so show them about the transformation that they'll get, and preview, so tell them exactly what you're going to cover. All right, so now we're moving on to technical optimization essentials. What do I mean by this? These are things like title tags and meta descriptions. Your title tag is like the headline of your dating profile. It needs to be compelling enough to get a click, include your target keyword, and also keep it under 60 characters. Well, and make it irresistible as well. This also includes URL structures. So keeping URLs simple and keyword rich is the way that you want to go. So a good one would be yoursite.com/content optimization guide. A bad one is yoursite.com/p=12345. Do you see the difference? For header tags, you want to use H1, H2, and H3 tags to structure your content logically. Make sure that you also include your target keyword in the H1 tag and use subheadings to break up your content. All right, so let's talk about the tools that won't break the bank, but will absolutely level up your content optimization game. First and foremost, Google Search Console is your SEO best friend. This is the tool that every SEO should master. It's completely free and it gives you insights straight from Google itself. You can see which keywords you're ranking for, identify pages with high impressions but low clicks, and monitor your site's technical health at the same time. Another good one is Screaming Frog. This one is a technical SEO powerhouse. So the free version actually lets you crawl up to 500 URLs, which is perfect for smaller sites. You can find broken links, identify duplicate content issues, and analyze page titles and meta descriptions. Now it's time for fact number 6. According to Bright Edge, 68% of online experiences begin with a search engine, making these free SEO tools essential for capturing that traffic. While we're at it, here are a few browser extensions that will change your life. A good one is SEO Minion, where you can analyze on-page SEO elements, check broken links, and stimulate search results from different locations. Another one is Detailed SEO extension, where you can get page-level insights in milliseconds, including heading structure analysis and duplicate content detection. There's Checkbot, which tests over 50 SEO, speed, and security issues while crawling hundreds of pages simultaneously. There's SEO Pro extension, which checks HTTP status codes instantly, gets core web vitals data, and also highlights nofollow links. And the SEO Info extension, which is another fantastic Chrome and Firefox extension for quick SEO analysis. Here's some more free gems for you just to have as a resource in your pocket. Greenflare is an SEO web crawler that finds 4xx and 3xx errors and analyzes internal linking issues. SEOlizer is a technical SEO platform with unlimited URL crawling and real-time monitoring. HTTPstatus.io is a bulk URL status checker with redirect chain analysis. Server Headers offers quick HTTP header analysis and mobile-friendly testing. Ahrefs Webmaster Tools offer free website analysis, technical SEO audits, and backlink analysis. There's also SiteLiner, where you can find duplicate content and broken links across your entire site. And finally, Bing Webmaster Tools. Don't sleep on Bing. While it has a smaller market share, it often has less competition and can actually drive valuable traffic. Now let's touch on some advanced content optimization strategies that you can take advantage of when you've got the basics. The first of which is building topical authority. So think about how Netflix doesn't just have one good show. They dominate entire genres. Now that is topical authority in action. Choose a topic cluster closely related to your business, map all related keywords, and create comprehensive coverage. And after that, link everything strategically. Fact number 7. Brands that consistently publish content in specific topic areas see 6 times more engagement and better search rankings within those topics. To help with this, you can also use the 2.0 version of the skyscraper technique. So this is Brian Dean's famous strategy, but with an upgrade. You can find link-worthy content in your niche, create something 10 times better, and I don't mean just longer, make it more useful, more current, and better designed, and then reach out to people who link to the original content. It's also very important to just learn from the experts. Eric Engay's course on SEMrush Academy provides incredible insights on how content fits into the broader SEO landscape. His expertise shows how content optimization isn't just about keywords. It's about creating comprehensive resources that serve user needs. Another great resource is Ashley Segura's Content Marketing Fundamentals. This course complements the technical aspects with strategic thinking about how content serves business objectives. And for a practical demonstration of strategic content optimization in action, this video actually breaks down real-world examples and case studies, so make sure to give it a watch. Okay, now it's time to touch on creating your own keywords. Now, this is actually next-level content optimization. So instead of competing for existing keywords, you can just create new ones around your unique concepts. When you name something, it becomes real. People start searching for it, writing about it, and linking to you as the authority. Some examples include Brian Dean's skyscraper technique, HubSpot's inbound marketing, and Gary Vaynerchuk's jab, 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 right hook. Now, it wouldn't be a content optimization video if I didn't give you a reality check on AI optimization. Here's some much needed real talk about AI optimization. Most of it is actually just snake oil right now. AI chatbots account for less than 1% of total traffic, and Google sends about 199 times more traffic than ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Copilot combined. There are actually virtually no proven case studies of AI-specific tactics driving real business results, so focus on traditional SEO fundamentals first and foremost. Now, according to me, here's a smart way to go about it. So first of all, SEO is still going to be your foundation. Content that ranks well on Google is more likely to be referenced by AI. Second of all, it's important to build brand mentions, not just backlinks. Web mentions matter more for AI visibility. Third of all, don't manipulate people, just be genuinely helpful. When you create genuinely useful content, that's going to take you a long way. And finally, brand awareness beats optimization tricks every time. Brands in the top 25% for web mentions get 10 times more AI citations. Let's pivot a bit into measuring success and avoiding common mistakes. In order to measure your success and avoid some common mistakes, here are some key metrics that you're going to want to track. The first one is organic traffic, so you can monitor this through Google Analytics, looking for trends over time rather than daily fluctuations. You'll also want to keep an eye on your keyword rankings, so track your rankings for target keywords using Google Search Console. And lastly, you'll definitely want to keep an eye on your click-through rates as well. So monitor how often people actually click your listings. A low CTR might indicate that your titles and descriptions need optimization. Over-optimization can actually really hurt your rankings. Avoid keyword stuffing, artificially inflating content length, aggressive sales tactics, and overly sensational headlines in order to avoid this. Some very common mistakes include focusing only on rankings instead of business outcomes, copying competitor content without adding any unique value, and ignoring your user experience signals. Also, expecting immediate results is unwise. SEO typically takes 3 to 6 months. All right, now to wrap it all up for you, I actually have a content optimization action plan for you. Here's some immediate actions you can take within the next week or so. Set up your Google Search Console and Google Analytics, audit your current content using the free tools that I mentioned earlier in the video, install browser extensions for very quick SEO analysis, and identify your top performing pages that could use optimization. Now, there are also some short-term goals that I've made for you that you can accomplish within the next 1 to 3 months. Firstly, optimize title tags and meta descriptions for your most important pages. Improve your site's loading speed and core web vitals, and create internal linking between related content. You can also start building topical authority in one core area, and then move on to more later on. Now, according to SEMrush's research, 32% of marketers say that their biggest content challenge is producing content that generates leads and conversions, not just traffic. So this is where your long-term strategy comes in, and this will take about 3 to 12 months. First of all, consistently publish valuable and optimized content. Build relationships for natural link acquisition, monitor and adjust your strategy based on performance data, expand into new keyword opportunities, and continuously improve the user experience. Now, content optimization might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, it's fundamentally about creating valuable content that actually helps people and making it easy for search engines to understand and find that content. The key to success is thinking long-term and focusing on your users first. When you create content that genuinely helps people and provides real value, search engines will recognize the quality and reward you with better visibility. So start with the basics that we covered today and ensure that your technical foundation is solid using the free tools we discussed. After that, you can create high quality content around keywords that your audience is actually searching for, and gradually build authority through valuable resources that other sites want to link to. Remember, content optimization is a marathon, not a sprint. The websites that succeed in search are those that consistently provide value over time. So be patient, stay consistent, and keep learning as the landscape evolves. Thanks for joining me for this comprehensive guide to content optimization. If this helped you level up your content game, smash that like button, subscribe to SirLinksalot for more in-depth SEO strategies, and drop a comment letting me know which technique you're more excited to implement. Until next time, but for now, keep optimizing, and remember, great content optimization starts with great content and serves your audience first. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to give us a like, drop a comment, subscribe, so you don't miss out on any future SEO insights. And hey, if you're serious about your rankings, head over to SirLinksalot.co, check out our premium link building services, guides, and free SEO tools. See you next time.